OnionShare is known for anonymous sharing, but it's slow for large transfers and limited for daily use. Many users now want faster, easier, and more versatile options. In this video, we'll show 7 secure and efficient OnionShare alternatives for phones and computers. Top 1. Best OnionShare alternative: MobiKin Assistant for Android. This manager offers smooth cross-platform transfers and is a strong OnionShare alternative. It supports key Android data with simple desktop preview and export, and MobiKin Assistant for Android delivers stable, secure performance. Install Assistant for Android on your computer and connect your phone via USB. Enable USB debugging if prompted. Once connected, your device and data categories will appear. Select a category, preview items, and click Export to move files to your PC. To transfer files back, choose a category and click Import. Top 2. RetroShare. Encrypted communication forms the core of this platform, which naturally extends to secure file sharing that can rival OnionShare's privacy strengths. Peer-to-peer connections eliminate any need for cloud storage, making transfers between phone and PC more controlled. Top 3. File sharing. Fast transmission speeds are commonly highlighted by users who want quick transfers between their phone and computer. A simple car code connection or local Wi-Fi pairing ensures that files move without relying on external servers, similar to OnionShare's direct share philosophy. Top 4. SwissTransfer. Large file handling is a defining advantage of this service, especially for individuals who want to move big videos or project folders from mobile to desktop. Top 5. LocalSend. A fully offline transfer system allows users to exchange files across devices on the same network, giving it security benefits similar to OnionShare without using the Tor network. Top 6. ShareDrop. Browser-based peer-to-peer connectivity makes this service a convenient choice for users who don't want to install apps just to move files. Sharing between mobile and PC stays local whenever possible, which enhances privacy in a way comparable to OnionShare's direct transfer model. Top 7. YouTransfer. A self-hosted deployment option gives people full control over where their shared files are stored and how they are delivered. Mobile devices can upload items to a personal server and then retrieve or download them on a desktop with ease.